One tool to rule the fire. That's the slogan for the Zippo Firestarting multi-tool, and it seems pretty appropriate to me. You have everything on here you need to start a fire. You have a double cut saw. You have a nice flathead screwdriver with a bail and a bottle opener. And the top slot here, you have a 2.2 inch stainless steel 420 stainless steel blade. They're all lock back design, so no locking mechanism, it just sort of locks back on its own. On this side is where you have a scraper to scrape off kindling. And here, the main event, the flamethrower. Put all these together